guys, for today's video, I'll be showing you how to generate a deep voice from ElevenLabs. So first up, you want to go ahead to your browser and go to ElevenLabs, then log in or sign up if you haven't made an account yet. So over here at the left, just go to text-to-speech or voice changer, whichever you want to generate, and just start typing in whatever you want to generate, or upload your files here in the voice changer. After you're done with that, over here on the right, click on the voice and just search for deep. And you have a lot of options here. You can choose Adam,
Our distrust is very expensive.
Josh,
Change in all things is sweet.
or Asher James here is also
I didn't know
good.
what peace was until I found you. Now every beat of my heart belongs to us.
But let's choose Adam. Just click on it so you can see here our speaker is Adam. Then just click on generate speech on the bottom. Then it will generate two options and you can just choose whichever you prefer best.
Hey, good day. Hey, good day.
So I like option 1 better. So just go ahead and click on download so you can save that on your computer, and that's it. Thanks for watching.